Hello, I'm Pablo Echevarria from Period 7, and today I'm doing the cardiovascular system.
This is a trachea. This is the windpipe that allows the pig to breathe and exhale. These are the lungs which hold air in the body. Here is the heart that pumps blood throughout the body. This is the aortic arch, which is the arch of the aorta. This under here is the aorta, and this pumps blood throughout the body of the pig. And this is the larynx, which is the voice box of the pig. This is the pulmonary artery, which connects the heart to the entire body of the pig. This is the atrium and ventricle, which are the two different pieces of the heart. And here is the diaphragm that helps you with breathing.
Thank you for watching my video on the cardiovascular system.